The latest Capture the Flag competition that I am co-hosting with Snyk is live right now. It's the Snyk 2025 Fetch the Flag CTF event. You can find it online at snyk.ctf.games, and it's running for the next 12 hours. It's starting today, February 27th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, going till the end of the day, February 27th at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So just a 12-hour game, but check it out. We have over 30 challenges available for you across all these different categories. The classic Jeopardy-style categories, like web application security, binary exploitation, forensics, cryptography, reverse engineering, and more. On top of that, we have a handful of warm-ups category challenges, so there is something for everyone. Does not matter your skill level, we just want you to play, learn, and have some fun. And these aren't just challenges built out by me. We have Husky Hacks, Kevster, other members of the community, and even members of the Snyk research team contributing and sharing some awesome challenges for you to get involved and play with. Take a look. You can easily spin up a challenge and get right into the action. It is just a 12-hour game, but it should be jam-packed with a ton of fun. And we'd love to see you on the scoreboard. So get started, register at snyk.ctf.games and the register button on the left-hand side navigation. You don't have to play to win, but if you make it to the top of the leaderboard, the top 3 teams will win MetaQuest 3S VR headsets and the glory. I'm super excited about it. This is something that our team has been putting a lot of work into over the past couple months to get this thing ready. And if you're all about it, if you're all about that free education, practice, and training for the community, then please jump in. There's a link in the video description, snyk.ctf.games, and we're looking forward to Snyk Fetch the Flag 2025 live right now.